Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe dealership, today wanting to let you know a little bit more about our latest arrival in the form of this Jaguar F-Pace large SUV. This particular example is the F-Pace Prestige all-wheel drive, finished here in this lovely black colour. In terms of equipment, there's plenty for you to enjoy, with the front offering automatic headlights with daytime running lights as well as rain-sensitive wipers. As one of our Jaguar approved used vehicles, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Moving over to the side, you can enjoy the stylish 18-inch Vortex style 10-spoke alloy wheels, which will really complement the colour very nicely indeed. The overall silhouette is definitely pleasing to the eye and is guaranteed to turn heads. Whilst the cabin in the rear will offer plenty of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers, with our upholstery being finished in ebony black leather with contrasting tan stitching. Moving over towards the back of the vehicle, you can enjoy full LED taillights to give your car a distinctive look, as well as prominent twin exhaust pipes. For convenience, you'll be happy to know there's power opening and closing tailgate, revealing an absolutely cavernous boot space, and that's before you can fold down the rear seats in a 40-20-40 split seat. Other clever solutions will include 12-volt sockets, shopping hooks, and there's even a space-saver spare wheel just in case. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will also unlock and reveal a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, large infotainment screen, and front seat will offer additional side lumbar support for added comfort, and those are also electrically adjustable. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar F-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this F-Pace, the cabin is absolutely gorgeous. Plenty for you to enjoy with lots of soft touch materials, and the driver control panels are easy to reach and logically laid out. There's also a 3-way memory function for those electric seats, and the multifunction wheel can operate various aspects such as cruise control and the trip computer ahead. The all-wheel drive system comes with a number of bespoke drive modes such as rain, ice, snow for added grip and confidence. Eco mode will prioritize fuel efficiency to give you maximum range, whilst the dynamic mode will prioritize a more sportier spirited drive. Digital speedometer with a traffic sign recognition camera will also be on offer, and to keep you and your occupants safe, driver assistance modes will also include collision avoidance, city emergency braking, as well as lane departure warning too. Moving over to the center, the 8-inch infotainment screen is touch sensitive but also offers shortcuts on either side. For all your radio station needs, you'll be happy to know there's both AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception, with additional Bluetooth connectivity for your telephony as well as audio for wireless media streaming. The climate control system can easily be operated via large buttons here and are fully complemented by heated front seats with a 3-stage setting both for the driver and the passenger. To make sure you never ever get lost, built-in satellite navigation offers 2D and 3D modes as well as supports full 7-digit postcodes. To help you park, audible and visual front and rear parking sensors will ensure you never ever scuff your lovely bumpers. Down below, 2-zone climate control system is easily operated via physical buttons, and on the center armrest you will also find large cup holders as well as a deep center armrest with additional USB connectivity to keep your batteries topped up. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-Pace Prestige all-wheel drive that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our Jaguar specialists on 01270 864 386 or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.